Hello friends, in this video I will show how to add logo on video with the help of VLC media player. So open your video with VLC media player. Now here click on tools, then preferences. Now select video. Now here click on tools, then click on effects and filters. Then click on video effects. Click on overlay. Check this box for add logo. Click on these three dots and find out your logo. Here click on all file and select your logo. So we can see now we have this logo here. You can change size, you can change direction for this logo, like in the top, and see the changes here where it's appear. Like you make here 300, or you can make here 600. In the top, and same process you can make left to right. You can change opacity. You can add text. You can select any position. And you can erase logo. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can add text and logo in VLC Media Player video. And in the last, just click on Save.